Hey guys, Wedges World coming at you. Hey, I know I haven't given you guys a narrated video here, and I'm sorry for that. I just haven't been in a position to be able to do that here. I'm getting my my technology here. It's getting a little bit of an upgrade, and I've got a room now to where I can go. Next week I'll be starting that. I'm doing this on my phone, so please, I apologize for the poor audio and probably even the video quality. But as you can see, there's a filament that released off the top, off the northern part of the sun. It actually is substantial. So is that thing going to hit us? Well, we're going to talk about that. Now, this thing could hit and give us a pretty good blow, or it might not. You know, this is NOAA, and you can see where that's a long duration storm. Now, look at the proton flux. That actually jumped too. That means a radiation, almost an S1 radiation storm. Didn't quite get there, but it definitely is an uptick. Now, as you watch this, guys, it's going to look like it's going to go north, but is it really? I don't know. That was quite a bit of plasma, and it is substantial. But according to the NASA model, which the NASA and NOAA models did not agree last time, and we still did get hit with that CME, but it didn't. The magnetic polarity was not in the right orientation to really give us a really good, G1 storm even. So we didn't get the G1 storm, but we were seeing effects as if we got a bigger geomagnetic storm, like a G3. We were seeing red and pink aurora far south, and we really shouldn't be seeing those things that often, unless we get into bigger storm levels. But as you can see here, guys, this is stereo A. This is that eruption. There was actually a couple, but the one here is one I just showed you guys. You can see that. It's substantial, but the majority of it is going north of Earth. So what can we expect? Well, we're just going to have to wait and see. This, the NASA model right here is going to show you that most of it is going north, but it does look like it's going to flank us. So, that's a top-down version there. You're going to see the side cut here in a minute. And then you'll see our orbital line stretched out in a straight line. So all three of these are showing at least a side hit. And again, the magnetic polarity, which is the BZ that we talk about, right? -6 or bigger to really get a good hit. But again, I have to comment here that, we really were seeing effects as if we had a bigger storm hit us, and we didn't. So, all these things were happening. Earthquake upticks, and the aurora, all those things that we always talk about here. But yeah, so if this thing does hit, and say we do get a G3 or a storm at some point here, which is going to happen eventually, with our magnetic field weakening, which proved from the last time that definitely is weakening, and in this coronal hole, that should be arriving about the same time as this CME just blew off. If they combine, we could get a double shockwave hit. We could get all kinds of different effects that might be happening there that could raise us up. Now, I'm going to try to keep you guys updated. And again, guys, I'm sorry for the lack of content. I really had to get some things straight here in my own life and get, technology moved around and all that to really make it a good run at this again. I hope you guys can stick it out with me, and yeah. So please enjoy the rest of these clips here. It's not much more, but you can definitely see that's a lot of plasma leaving the sun. So I'll keep you guys updated. God bless. Yahusha saves, and I hope you guys can still drink this Kool-Aid.